Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple ribbon wedges and dress to impress for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to the dressing room and then I'm going to go to the currency items and we're going to wear this Myra heels. Okay, and then wait, let me add this dressing room. Okay, and we're going to go to this area and we're going to use item from the petal update, this one. All right, and then we're going to color it with the color that we like. For me, I'm just going to color it pink. I'm going to wear this pink. Okay, let's try this one guys, which can match with my outfit. Okay, and for the Myra heels, I'm going to color it with the same color. Okay, for the Myra heels, just use this pink. Okay, and this is the final result. As you can see, it's really simple yet cute. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create the simple ribbon wedges in Dress to Impress for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!